the students will deliver a topic called case study on HMI and the types on the HMI interfaces. The first Harry will start this lesson.
So HMI, human machine interface. Human machine interface is a system where that allows the human to interact with machines. So we have certain languages which we couldn't. Even we have a lot of types of languages which we couldn't get as so much as possible. Like the same way, each machine have certain languages as a programming language or any other languages. So by the way, the machine which converts our human ideology or language to machine is known as human machine interface. So it equips the types of machines, equipments or other software as well. So HMIs convert user input into machine commands and the machine outputs into user understandable feedback. So once we are giving our input to machines through certain interface level modeling, it will observe what we have given so far, then it will be interpreting based on our inputs, then it will be doing certain projects or ideas throughout it, then it will give us the feedback and understandable feedback. So these interfaces are visually, auditory, tactile or physical elements to create the seamless communication as well that enhances user control experience across manufacturing, production, health sector and consumer electrical, those parts. So primary goal is effective communication so far. So how a human as a machine will be communicating. So enhanced safety and user experience will be high. So that's the basic ideology. So the physical controls so physical controls is a basic type in the HMI. So for example, we can take the thermometer. Thermometer will observe the temperature of a body, then that will be giving the ideal time. That is the physical control which we have so far seen.
So next, coming to the digital interface where we can use the smartphones like a screen. It has all the digital interface, like for example Apple iPhone which has touch screen technology with initiative gestures and navigation through the apps and settings. So secondly, we have visual representation like complex data displayed visually for easy interpretation and analysis. So in the customization like personalized layouts and themes and workflow with the multimedia capability. So next, coming to the immersed technology like VR and AR, which is virtual reality and augmented reality, and provided interface environment while wearing in a VR while wearing the specs like structure for visually seeing the reality in a virtual way. While it is enhanced learning, practicing the skills in a safe way and a controlled environment in the improving the efficiency and realistic visualization. Like it's a 3D representation of the reality in a virtual space with the understanding of decision making. And by coming to it is high engagement. Like immersive nature keeps the user engaged with the higher interface levels.
And the next type is biometric interfaces. In this we have four recognition models: fingerprint, iris scanning, facial recognition and voice recognition. As we see, we are commonly in our mobile phones itself, we all have these four types of interfaces, biometrics, and in everywhere the biometrics are implemented. Fingerprinting, you use the fingerprints to scan the specific code which is given to a fingerprint, and iris scanning, iris pattern for high security access control, and facial recognition which uses the Face ID technology for device unlock and transition, and voice recognition which uses a specific voice notes to develop it, and it is used for security, convenience and personalization. It's quick authentication, robot access and tailored experience. And the next is brain-computer interfaces. First of all, it is not currently possible. It is only possible in the future to implement the brain-computer interface. It is used as the most advanced HMI category and an implemented device monitoring brain activity which acts as a brain for the computer, which acts as own brain which thinks about it itself. And direct control innovation potential neural feedback.
Next, finally, that's one conclusion.
So finally, coming to the conclusion section, we have the first is access users needs and is elevate context, balance innovation, greatest experience, and stay informed. And coming up on the mind map, we have the first of all we have brain computer interface, physical controls, digital interfaces, immersive technologies, biometric interface. These are the one which makes HMI human machine interface to work. So that's the conclusion of this.